How to share your Google Maps current location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the arrow icon as shown. You can get a closer look at your current location on the map. Swipe up to view the location details. Here, tap on Share Location. Then, choose the duration for how long you want to keep sharing. For example, for 1 hour. After that, tap on More options below. You will find all the available sharing options over here. Select Messages. Here, type in the name of the person you want to share your location with and tap on the arrow icon to send it. Now, go back and open the Messages app. Find the chat you shared the location to. Following these steps, you can easily share your Google Maps current location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.